Hello everyone and welcome to Crash Official. We've got the most insane road rage moments caught on camera, and trust us, the instant karma is real. Buckle up and get ready for a wild ride filled with shocking confrontations and hilarious comeuppances. Footage from a dashcam shows a driver firing a gun during a road rage incident. The video captures the alarming moment one motorist discharges a firearm at another vehicle. Highlighting the dangerous escalation of the altercation.
It's an extraordinary confrontation caught on.
A viral video from Arizona shows a 1-year-old driver attacking a biker and his girlfriend.
Attacks a guy riding a motorcycle. You better stop! It happened at a traffic light in Yuma, Arizona, after the motorcyclist apparently cut the driver off on the road. The furious driver gives the motorcycle rider a haymaker. Stop it! Then shoves his pint-sized girlfriend. The whole incident was caught on the
The confrontation at a traffic light reportedly began after the biker cut the driver off, leading the driver to exit his car, punch the biker, and shove his girlfriend.
Are you done? Stop!
A Chula Vista judge ordered no bail for 9-year-old Gilio Repetto, who is accused of attempted murder in a road rage shooting on Olympic Parkway. The judge cited Repetto as a danger to the public, despite his attorney arguing for bail and noting he has no prior record. A road-raging driver in Victoria gets a dose of instant karma. Dashcam footage shows the man exiting his car to confront another driver. Only to panic and flee when 2 police officers emerge from the vehicle he was approaching. An unexpected turn from a peaceful bike ride to a tense confrontation. What started as a simple ride quickly escalated into an aggressive altercation, and you'll see me attempt to de-escalate the situation. Despite my best efforts to keep things calm, the situation quickly got out of hand. This video serves as a powerful reminder that not all confrontations have a peaceful resolution, even with the best intentions. It highlights the critical importance of trying to remain composed in heated moments, but it also shows the unfortunate reality that some situations can spiral out of control regardless of what you do. Sometimes, the goal isn't to win an argument, but to simply survive it. Deputies were wrapping up their on-site investigation of a major multi-vehicle crash. The scene was extensive, and for safety and investigative purposes, both lanes of the roadway were temporarily closed.
I don't care! The answer's no! Okay, can you give me your driver's license? Yes, it is. What, do you not see this blue truck? Do you not see that blue truck? Put your car in park and give me your driver's license. Put your car in park and give me your driver's license. I don't care. We got blue lights and people's safety for a reason. Put your car in park. Okay, stop her.
Yo, stop.
Britt, go. Put her in jail. I'll be there.
Get in the car. Sit down.
My daughter was right here waiting for me.
Sit down. Give me your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance.
They blocked it off, and I was trying to get to Giselle, and I got here. She's not freaking
It's
here.
related to that.
Look, my daughter's
Okay,
right
sit
there.
down.
My daughter's right there.
I don't care.
I was trying to get to my daughter. Dude, it's blocked off.
Sit down and give me your driver's license. Now.
I don't have it with me. It's at the house.
Don't get involved. Don't get involved.
That's right.
I get it, but don't get involved. Don't get involved.
Get off the
I
phone.
was trying to. This is my husband.
I don't care.
I was trying
You
to
are
get
stopped
my
for a
daughter.
lawful reason.
How was it? It wasn't even blocked off. People were coming out of that street. You guys were blocking all the way to 75.
Yeah, why do you think we're doing that?
It was nothing.
It was a
blocking
traffic
this way.
crash. Okay?
It was
You
nothing
disobeyed
blocking this
Okay,
way.
I'm not arguing with you.
Eduardo Garcia.
You don't have a driver's license?
I have a driver's license at home. That's what
What's
I'm
your
trying
name?
to say.
What's your name?
I'm not saying that.
Okay. She comes back to a
I
male,
need
Eduardo something.
if you want my
She's
driver's
refusing.
license at home.
Okay.
You want it or do you
Jail.
need to take it?
You can take it.
All right. Come out.
Your kids aren't in the car, are they?
Turn around. This is not the way you should have handled this.
I don't want to be arrested, man. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get my driver's license. I was trying to...
This required drivers to wait patiently in a long line until the road was clear. Most people understood the situation, but one driver decided they were above the rules. Ignoring the long line of traffic and the deputies directing it, an impatient driver in a black SUV swerved around the waiting cars, driving onto the shoulder to bypass the congestion. They sped past the queue, getting a few hundred feet ahead before their luck ran out. The SUV's tire hit something sharp, and with a hiss, it went completely flat. The driver, visibly annoyed, was forced to pull over just a few yards from the deputies at the scene. As if a flat tire wasn't enough, the deputies noticed the driver's reckless maneuver. With a smirk, one of the deputies walked over to the now stranded vehicle.
Open up the road to come down here, and she came that far from hitting me. So now it's aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, which is a felony. So you can go. Do you know who owns this car? Okay, can you call them and have them come pick it up? Yeah, it's her sister.
This is Jessica.
No, we're not giving her a ticket. If she allows you to take the car, yeah. How are you gonna get home? Are you gonna walk back? Okay. If she allows you to take the car, then yeah, we'll let you take the car.
Do we have a name for her yet? She's refused.
Is her name Jessica? Yes. You can charge her with
I only saw bits and pieces of it, so what? Obviously, we've got driving around the barricade.
driving around the barricade, and then she drove off almost. But I had to step back before, so she wouldn't run me over.
Okay.
So
I'll charge her with it.
yeah, and then refusing to give information.
Oh, she wouldn't stop until I got up here. I was doing almost 100 just to catch up to her. Would have taken a lot less time had you just stopped. Then you wouldn't be in this situation. It doesn't give you the right to almost run over a police officer or disobey. Okay.
So again, why is she being arrested?
Let me walk you through this.
Please.
Okay? There's a massive traffic crash up there, right? We've had to direct traffic for over an hour, hour and a half. We shut the road down legally to get the tow trucks in so we could get the cars off the road in order to open the flow of traffic back up. Do you understand that part? Okay. She decided she didn't want to wait. So we pulled off the road and we opened the entire lane back up. She went in the opposite lane of traffic, and when I stopped her, she decided she didn't want to wait, right? And I don't know what I'm talking about. So she drives off, almost runs over my foot, doesn't stop.
The driver was already out of the car, inspecting the damage, and was not happy about the situation. The deputy informed the driver that their stunt had earned them a hefty ticket for reckless driving and failure to obey a law enforcement officer. The driver, now even more agitated, argued with the deputy, claiming they were in a rush and that the traffic was unreasonable. The deputy remained calm, explaining that everyone else was also in a rush but chose to follow the law. The driver's self-important attitude had not only gotten them a flat tire, but also a significant fine. They now had to deal with their car trouble and a legal penalty. The ultimate irony was that the driver's attempt to save time ended up costing them far more. They were now stuck on the side of the road with a broken-down car, a costly ticket, and the knowing glances of all the other drivers they had tried to cut off. The long line of traffic slowly but surely started to move, leaving the entitled driver in their dust. It was a perfect and well-deserved dose of instant karma.
Stop there, and I'm pretty easygoing, right? So when I ask you to stop, that's what I'm asking you to do. And don't give me this line of excuse. Everybody on that road has somewhere to be. I mean, it's been a busy road for a lot of years. When I ask you to stop and get out of the opposite lane of traffic, we have a problem. And then when we come up here, legally we're allowed to ask you for your documents, your driver's license, all that. She's refusing. So, unfortunately for her, better choices next time. But again, we had a lawful reason to stop that because she didn't think that she needed to wait or that some of the road was opened up to get the traffic, the tow trucks in, then yeah. And so that's the whole story.
The suspect was charged with resisting and cited for disobeying a police officer. She ended up pleading no contest and was sentenced to 6 months of probation. Consider subscribing to Crime Scene Cam for more exclusive content, and check out these next videos.
A driver, angered by a honk, brake-checked an off-duty police officer
thing to do. So the cop driving the dashcam car was off duty, and the driver of the Chrysler cuts off the cop, so the cop honks. But the driver in the Chrysler did not really like that and decided to slam on the brake.
The officer confronted the driver and later issued a ticket by mail.
Yeah, come on.
The cop isn't very thrilled, as you might expect, and decides to let the driver know that he's gonna receive a ticket.
Hey, what's up, dude? You got a problem? You got a problem? I don't know. Do you have a problem? You're the one over here cutting me off, brake checking me. I got you on camera, buddy.
This road rage incident served up a dose of instant karma for the aggressive driver.
Your tag. It's okay. You're gonna receive a ticket later. All right. Have a great day.
The driver was sent a ticket in the mail. Hopefully he learned his lesson.
Enraged by an unknown dispute, a driver dangerously brake-checked a semi-truck on the highway. This aggressive act, a clear display of road rage, created a perilous situation for both vehicles and anyone else nearby.
And you already know how I feel if you watch this channel about brake checkers, especially those who brake check semi-trucks. And now he's backing up. He wants to have a battle of the egos, so he thinks messing with a semi-truck is a good idea. Not sure what Bud's problem is, but he really is making a fool out of himself. Now he opens his door and starts cursing out the trucker. He's really angry.
The driver's actions seemed fueled by a need to assert dominance, turning the road into a battleground for his ego. Instead of letting the conflict go, he escalated it into a high-stakes confrontation.
Always stays in the same lane as the trucker. I always have respect for truckers after seeing videos like this. I mean the truckers that don't actively try to start road rage, which is most of them. Most of them just want to do their job, because time is money when you're a trucker. And so idiots like this actually cost the trucker time and money. So I always have a lot of respect for truckers who deal with this on the regular. Road ragers, stupid drivers, all this just to keep our economy running.
This kind of reckless behavior highlights how quickly a minor disagreement can become a serious threat to public safety when emotions take control.
Does this moron actually know what would happen if this truck were to rear-end his car? Does he not know? He's stupid, and I think he should lose his license. What a moron.
Thanks for watching this week's dose of road rage gone wrong. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane moments and instant karma hitting like a truck. Let us know in the comments which clip was your favorite.